What's up, guys? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the channel. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to be installing some side markers on my G35 Sedan. Now, these are not any ordinary side markers, guys. These side markers are daytime running LED sequential side markers. So pretty excited to put them on my G35. Haven't seen any videos on the G35 Sedan with these side markers. Saw a couple of videos with the coupe, but not too much of the sedan. So I'm going to be installing them on my car, and we're going to see how it looks. So if you happen to be one of those viewers that skips to the end of the video to see what it looks like, just do me this favor. Make sure you share the video and put that thumbs up. That way other sedan owners can kind of get a visual and some ideas of what it looks like on a sedan. But for everybody else, I'm going to pretty much install them, show y'all, about the product and where I got it. And, we'll go from there. But like always, guys, been talking too much. So let's get this video started. So guys, like I had mentioned at the intro of the video, I'm going to be installing some side markers on my G35 Sedan. So I'm really excited because, like I mentioned, man, I haven't seen any videos on the G35 Sedan with these. So we'll see how it all turns out. But if y'all want to get y'all a pair of these, whether it be for the Sedan or the coupe, so check out Vqplug. I actually linked up with these guys as a sponsor. So they got a lot of aftermarket stuff for the Nissan and Infiniti platform at a real good price. But being that I linked up with these guys, they gave me a promo code that y'all can use towards towards your purchase for a discount, and save a little more money in your wallet. So just use the promo code the G35 fan 87, and they'll give you a discount towards your purchase, and you'll save some money. So check them out if you haven't already. But yeah, that's where I got these from. Now they do have two types of side markers. The ones that I got are the clear lens. They also have the version of the smoke lens. So whatever you prefer. Not only that, but if you don't want the sequential feature, you can get it without it, and it'll just be the daytime running light. But whatever you prefer, you can customize it, and they'll hook it up. But yeah, make sure you use that promo code and get you some good products. But there is three things that I'm concerned before I open this and get this video actually started. The three things that I want to find out is, one, how well this product is made, the quality of it. Is it cheaply made? What it comes with? How's the fitment when it comes to installing it? The other thing is, how easy is it to install? Is it a little bit difficult? I mean, it should just be, the plug and play and then splicing into the terminal for the side marker. I mean, for the turn signal. So we'll see how, that goes. And then the last thing is, does it prevent hyper flashing? Is it going to be in sync? Are my blinkers going to be, going too fast? Am I going to have to install other, products to prevent that? Or is it all built in? So we're going to find out. But yeah, I'm really excited. So let's open this up. All right, guys. So I'm going to review the product, open the box, see what it comes with, and then we'll do all the installation. All right. So comes with the business card right there. And the packaging looks pretty good, pretty decent. Everything's, secure and safe. All right, looks like it has a cover to protect the lens. Pretty good. Looks, I would say, quality made. So it is a plug and play, like I had mentioned. And then this third wire is what I'm going to tie into my side marker from the T-tap. So that's one side marker. You got the other side marker, and then looks like you come with the T-taps, but that's all you come with. I don't think you come with the other side. But luckily, I didn't know if it came with any hardware, but just as a precaution, I did end up getting some from the auto store. So I'll probably just go ahead and use these T-taps, because you're going to need that end right there to tie into that one wire. So all right, guys, so now I'm going to terminate everything. I did mention earlier that they just give you this as far as the termination. At the moment, I really wasn't thinking, but this is the same concept as the T-taps. It's just a different style. But yeah, with this one, as you can see, you have 2 ports. The one on the left is going to be for the single wire, and then the one on the right is where you would splice it. So it does the same thing as these right here. I'm just going to go this route, being that if I want to remove it, I'll just unplug it. But whatever way you prefer, they both work. So as you can see, I already crimped these down, and I got them ready to go. So the wires you're going to use, if you have any trouble, just go where the turn signal is. You should have 3 wires. So these are the 3 wires that I have. The one you're going to tap into is the green and the yellow. So if you do have any questions as far as the colors, they do have a schematic on their website where you can see the different colors. Mine happens to be green and yellow, but they do have one with the green and white, and then I believe purple and white. You'll just have to check it out. But all you got to do, guys, is just follow where the turn signal is, and you'll determine which wires you need. But you are going to use the green. The other 2 you will not use. So as you can see, I have the wheel turned this way because on the passenger side, being that there's not really a lot of space and I don't want to remove all of that and still have the tire on, I turned it that way. But as you can see, I have the 3 wires right there. Another thing, guys, is I'm going to tap in to, I guess you could say, the end where the turn signal is. You don't want to really tap into, you know, where all the electronic wires are coming in, or the harness. I would recommend doing it on the end of the turn signal. That way in the future, if you want to get rid of it, you're not having to mess with all the wires up here where everything comes in. So as you can see, got my wires right here, and then the wires over there. So should be a simple process. We'll see how it is. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. And then I did get some electrical tape so I can tape it up, but you could use, you know, Smurf tube or whatever it is, heat shrink, whatever, to terminate, to cover the termination so no water gets in. But should be a simple process, guys. So I'm gonna remove the old side markers and install the new ones. Alright, guys, so I removed the side markers. As you can see, that's where I ended up putting my splice. So when I run the wire, I'm just going to plug in right there, and then I'll tape everything. And then for the driver's side, I put the tap right here. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the side markers, and then I'll run that single wire and tap it into right there, and then, you know, we'll see how it looks. So guys, as far as the fitment on these, I don't know if it's just for the sedans, but right there I have everything lined up. Now the issue that I was having was, you see how much the that little metal bracket extends a little bit. It still works, guys. I got the other one on, but there is a difference when it comes to trying to force it in that little slot right there. So just a little heads up, you might have to adjust this little metal bracket, maybe push it back a little bit, but don't break it. But yeah, that's something I did notice right there, is it's a little difficult to put the side marker in. But so guys, just finished installing the side markers, and I'm very satisfied with the way they came out. Before I show you what they look like, there was some things I was concerned about at the beginning of the video that I thought I would share with y'all. So as far as the termination, guys, very easy to install. Whether you want to use the T-taps that I got from like the auto store, or you want to use what they give you, it's gonna work no matter what. You just got to tap into that turn signal wire, and then on the other side it's just a plug and play. So very simple. If anything, just getting access to the wires may take a little time, but for the most part, it's real easy to install. The other thing was, does it cause hyper flashing? No, guys, it does not cause hyper flashing. So that's a plus right there. You don't have to worry about having to go out and buy the hardware to, you know, prevent that. But everything's in sync, and it works perfectly fine. The light's freaking bright. And you know, the turn signal, it's not just your common, you know, your standard blinker. It actually has some flair to it, so it's pretty dope. So if you got like the Specty headlights, you know, they'll sync up and look pretty nice. I did notice that it does have like a little bit of a delay when you know, turn the lights on, whatever it is. It has like a little, like a 1 second pause, but then the lights come on. If that's an issue for you, well then, you know, that's the one thing I did notice. But other than that, man, it's a very well made product. And if y'all want to get y'all one for your sedan, or if y'all want to get a pair for either your sedan or your coupe, like I said, make sure y'all check out Vqplug and use the promo code the G35 fan 87 and get you know, a discount towards your purchase. Save you some money in your wallet, and yeah, you'll be rocking some brand new side markers. But like always, guys, make sure y'all share this video, please. And you know, hit that thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and let me know what y'all think. But like always, guys, that concludes this video. It's your boy Giovanni. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace.